Please don't tell me you also think this is dirt. It's actually a medical condition which is stemming out from a metabolic problem called insulin resistance. After years of working with skin and picking up signs that most people miss, let me say this very clearly to you. ये जो dark neck आप बार-बार rub करते रहते हो और these dark armpits that you're super embarrassed about, you think it is dirt. What if I told you it wasn't dirt that you were dealing with and there's a medical condition called acanthosis nigricans and this could possibly be it? I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. In my practice, I see a lot of patients, actually very young ones, who come to me with a very dark neck, armpits dark hai, elbows dark hai, some cases knuckles dark hai, inner thighs ka area dark hai, groin ka area dark hai. And this darkness is not usually like the usual pigmentation you get onto your face. Here the skin becomes dark brown, black, and it feels velvety to touch. अगर आप दूर से देखोगे ना, it'll feel like a layer has been deposited onto your skin. And this is something जो आप बार-बार अलग-अलग चीज़ों से exfoliate करने की कोशिश करते हो. You try to apply home care, you try to apply different upturns, you apply basin, you apply all the scrubs and creams available in the market before you reach a doctor eventually. Now let's go deeper. Is this just a surface condition or there's actually something going on inside your body? Usually this is a sign of something which is happening on the inside, जिसे हम बोलते हैं insulin resistance. अब insulin क्या है? Insulin is actually a hormone made by our pancreas. Its primary job is simple but critical. Now think of insulin as a key. ये क्या करता है? हमारे blood stream से sugar को हमारे cells के अंदर डालता है. Your blood after you've eaten is full of glucose. And your cells, these are locked rooms that really desperately need energy. So insulin is the key that opens that door. Without insulin, glucose stays in the blood instead of entering the cells. So what is insulin resistance? Body insulin बना रही है but cells तक वो insulin पहुंच नहीं रहा है. तो की तो है हमारे पास but our lock has become faulty. अब ये excess insulin करेगा क्या? This will start acting like a growth signal कि हमारे keratinocytes को भी बढ़ा देगा, हमारे melanocytes को भी बढ़ा देगा, तो skin की thickness भी बढ़ जाएगी और darkness भी बढ़ जाएगी. And this will be seen more so in your body folds. Your back of the neck, your armpits, your groin, inner thighs, and sometimes the knuckles are also dark in this case. So now who is at risk? If you're somebody who's recently put on weight, थोड़ा सा weight fluctuation हो गया है, hormonal imbalance चल रहा है, you've been diagnosed with a polycystic ovarian disease, periods irregular हो गए हैं, you're somebody who's in a sedentary lifestyle, बैठे रहने की job में हो या otherwise generally lazy हो and you're not moving around too much, or you have somebody in the family with a history of prediabetes, diabetes, a metabolic syndrome, you should most definitely pay closer attention और ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है तो go see a dermatologist. Now this is where most of the damage happens. हमें लगता है कि skin clean नहीं है, कुछ तो जमा हो गया है skin के ऊपर, we start over scrubbing it, we start using harsh exfoliants, कोई fairness cream लगा लेते हैं, internet पे इतने सारे DIYs available हैं, from Colgate to this and that, we start applying everything. I've actually had patients जिन्होंने utensil clean करने वाले scrubbers से अपनी skin को scrub किया है, thinking that would get rid of the pigmentation. And trust me, it only makes it worse. In fact, aggressive exfoliation can only make matters worse by increasing your inflammation, worsening your pigmentation, darkening that area more and disrupting the skin barrier further. So अगर आप ये कर रहे हो, then you please need to stop. अब बात करें solution की, problem की बात तो हमने कर ली, तो इसको treat कैसे करेंगे? अब skin पे condition दिखाई दे रही है, but सिर्फ topical दवाइयाँ लगाने से या fairness creams लगाने से ये नहीं जाएगा. This is a metabolic signal and it needs to be dealt internally as well as externally. So internally बात करें metabolic control की, तो हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले अपने diet और lifestyle को improve करेंगे. You're going to cut out on your sugars, you're going to cut out on refined carbs, proteins, fiber intake बढ़ाओ, movement बढ़ाओ. दिन में 30 से 40 मिनट की walk if nothing else. That's what you need to add on to your schedule. And 5 to 7% weight loss. That's most definitely going to help you with insulin sensitivity and in turn lighten your pigmentation. If you've been suffering with this condition for about 6 months or so, it's only wise to get a couple of blood tests done. एक lipid profile कराओ, अपना blood glucose check कराओ. You have to make sure that you get your HbA1c that gives you your constant sugar control over a couple of months. You have to make sure that you get your hormone panel done if at all you're feeling कि periods irregular हो रहे हैं, weight up and down हो रहा है. Over a period of time, there is something in your body that's not feeling right. Now talking about the dermatological treatment, हम क्या करेंगे? Skin thicken हो गई है, skin darken हो गई है, तो सबसे पहले use of keratolytics, lactic acid, salicylic acid, glycolic acid. So many times अगर आपकी acne prone skin है और आप एक foaming cleanser use कर रहे हो, you can also use the same cleanser to wash your armpits with the same and feel better over a period of couple of months, I would say. We can also use retinoids and in about a pea size on each armpit at bedtime, and that's going to help you significantly. Some medical grade creams containing retinoids and urea with moisturizers can also help you lighten this pigmentation significantly. Now having said that, in clinic हम क्या कर सकते हैं? In clinic हम regular chemical peels कर सकते हैं. Some gentle chemical peels performed about once in 15 days over 4 to 6 sessions can most definitely help us, and in some cases we can also use laser toning to our rescue, and that definitely will lighten your pigmentation over a period of about 3 to 6 months. But having said that, lifestyle change is non-negotiable. वो हमें करना ही पड़ेगा, and if insulin resistance does not get better, the pigmentation will come back. So you are going to have to work on your lifestyle, on your health, make sure that your blood conditions and your blood panel is absolutely spick and span, and make sure that you use your medications as prescribed by your dermatologist regularly to get rid of this condition permanently. One thing that I always tell my patients is that you're not unclean, you're just plain simple uninformed, and that is fixable. So if at all you're experiencing a dark spot, a dark patch, skin looking embarrassing, it's not actually your skin embarrassing you, it's your skin trying to inform you. It's a cry for help. Reach out to a dermatologist and seek solutions because they are available. So if this video resonated with you or can help somebody you love or care for, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. We'll make sure that we keep coming back with more.